Nothing borrowed, nothing missing, just the sound and the road before us, side by side. Through every season, your hand finds mine without a reason. Some things don't need explaining, they simply grow with every sunrise. The world keeps turning, the songs keep changing, still I find my way beside you. The wind remembers every promise we never had to speak aloud. It started with an ordinary moment, a simple smile, a quiet conversation. Somehow my soul recognized what my mind hadn't found yet. I don't pretend to know tomorrow, I only know how peace feels when you are near. If the night grows long, we'll follow the stars. If the road grows steep, we'll lighten each other's burden. No matter where the music carries us, I'll always hear home inside your heart.